Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the replies to comments notifications on the WebComics application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the More section next to the Library button at the lower right corner of the screen, and click to the Settings button. In the Personal Settings section, tap to the Push Notifications button, and here you can find the Replies to Comments option, and just click to the white circle, and replies to comments notifications is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.